Kurerikana ati wici wa ngari ni wongererekete na gikiro kinene miene itiganite ya bururi, na thutha wa uthuthuria makiria maabitha a borithi kuma mwena wa Dandora Nairobi ni mahithukitie kihiri kia icunguruma cia ngari irerikana ni cia wici. Kuringana na kamanda wa borithi wa Buruburu Boniface Rumuku ni ati muingi niguo ukunyira maabitha a ugitiri aria matacukitie ikinya ria naihenya na kuhithukira muci umwe uria wikario bangi ya muhuro barabara-ini ya Mutarakwa, ona gutuika gutiri mundu mahotete guikia ngono thutha wao gwithara.
Following credible information, intelligence from the members of the public, we were able to raid a residential house within Kariobangi South, that is Mutarakwa Road, where we were able to find 101 pair of number plates, that is registration plates for vehicles. We also have some for motorcycles, and we also did recover some plates bearing. We also managed to find plates bearing the chassis number of some motor vehicles and materials that are used to manufacture, or rather to make registration plates.
Kamando yu augite ngari yeyo yohoragwo na indo na icunguruma ciayo ikendio ta spare parts kuri andu matari na umenyo.
Credible information indicates that these vehicles could have been stolen, and in fact they are dismantled to be sold for spare parts. So to the members of the public, those who could be able to identify the registration plates that are here, they should come forward, report to OC DCI Dandora for investigation. And for those who have lost their vehicles, let them come forward and identify. With several of them complete, bearing the registration plates for the front and the rear, we have 34.
Athingatite muingi guthie na mbere na kunyitania na honge cia ugitiri niguo kuhurana na ngero ici, na oho kuria ngari ciao ciyetwo kuhura riboti ceceni-ini ya borithi niguo guteithiriria na uthuthuria makiria. Ngiribota Inooro TV ni njitagwo Peter Mwangi.